Hey guys, so this is the tutorial for how to fix eye contact using AI. So for this, we're going to use Descript. So let's open Descript now. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so we have the dashboard open. The first step we're going to do is upload the file. So let's get it uploaded. So this is the file. Okay, so it is uploaded. Get started. Okay, so we're done uploading the file. So there is an option called AI tool at the right side of the screen. We'll click on that. Scroll down below and we will find a section for eye contact. Okay, so here it is. We'll click on that. Scroll down. All we got to do is toggle on the button. So I've already done it. It will take a while to correct the eye alignment. Okay, so it's almost done. We'll export the file. We're not going to publish it right now. We'll simply download it. It is being rendered. Okay, so download is completed. So I'll play both the videos side by side and let's take a look on how correctly the AI tool. Hey guys, so this is a demo video and I'm not looking at the camera right now. Let's see if Descript is able to correct my eye alignment. Hey guys, so this is a demo video and I'm not looking at the camera right now. Let's see if Descript is able to correct my eye alignment.